Welcome to QIndex Web Solutions. I am going to show you how to create Apple mouth manipulation in 2 minutes using Photoshop.
At QIndex Web Solutions, we do things like graphic designing, web development, and digital marketing. If you need any of these services, just reach out to us. Contact us today to turn your ideas into reality.
Insert second image. Make a backup from your background image. Decrease opacity. Press Ctrl to adjust image size, accordingly reset opacity back to 100%. Duplicate image. Hide top layer for now. Choose Lasso tool and follow the process. Click on mask icon, hold Ctrl, and click on Layer Mask to bring back to selection. Hide top layer. Go to Select menu, choose Modify, then choose Contract. I will add 7 pixels and click Press Delete button from your keyboard. Hold Shift and select both layers. Go to Edit menu, Auto Blend Layers, choose Stock Image Leave. Other settings as default and click OK. Now, drag the top layer under this layer. Select top layer, hold Alt and clear look on Layer Mask icon. Choose a soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is black and brush on teeth to bring back the whiteness. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E to get merged copy from all layer. Choose Healing Brush tool. Hold Alt and click to take a sample and start brushing to fix the edges. This is the final result.